You wouldn't believe what I discovered when I opened that drawer. It was a photo of my own death. My eyes were closed in the picture, and I was lying on the cold marble floor of my penthouse. But the most shocking part, the man standing over me in the photo was smiling. That man is my best friend, Alexei. And right now, he is standing next to me, pouring champagne. We are at my 30th birthday party. The exact party where I died. The exact party I am now living again. How is this possible? Yesterday, I woke up in my old college dorm room. I was 18 again. My whole life ahead of me. But I remembered everything from my first life. I remembered the betrayal. I remembered the fall from the penthouse balcony. I remembered his face as I died. Now I am back, 6 years before my death. And my future killer is handing me a glass with a kind smile. What do I do? The music is loud. The penthouse is full of people. I hold the glass of champagne Alexei gave me. My hands are shaking. In my first life, I drank this champagne. I felt dizzy soon after. Then everything went dark. When I woke up, I was on the floor. And then I felt the push from the balcony. I look at Alexei. He is tall, with dark hair and a charming smile. Everyone likes him. He has been my best friend since university. We built our company together. He was always the smart one. I was the one with the ideas. Why are you looking at me like that, Sasha? He asks. Drink. It's your special day. I remember the truth now. He was secretly in love with my wife, Myra. They were having an affair for a year. On my birthday, he pushed me from our penthouse balcony. He made it look like I was drunk and fell. Then he took control of our company and married my wife. They lived in my penthouse with my money. But in this second life, I have a secret. I know everything. I know his plan. I know the lies. I will not drink, I say quietly. I don't feel well. His smile fades for a second. Just a second. Then it comes back. Are you sure? It's the best champagne. You bought it yourself. I look across the room. I see Myra. She is wearing the red dress. She is talking to another man. But her eyes keep moving to Alexei. I see it now. I never saw it before. The little smiles. The way she touches his arm when she walks past him. I need some air, I say. I walk to the balcony. The city skyline glitters below. The wind is cold. This is the balcony. This is where I fell. My heart beats fast. I look at the railing. Strong. Metal. It should hold a person. But in my first life, it didn't. Was it broken? Did Alexei break it? I hear footsteps behind me. I turn. It is Alexei. He is holding 2 glasses of champagne. I brought you a fresh one, he says. His smile is perfect. Too perfect. You can't celebrate your birthday without a toast. I take the glass. But I don't drink. I look into his eyes. I see something there. Something cold. Something I missed before. Alexei, I say. Do you remember when we started the company? You made me a promise. What promise? You said you would never betray me. He laughs. But his eyes are not laughing. Of course, Sasha. I am your best friend. Why would you say that? But I know why. Because in 6 years, you will push me off this very balcony. And you will smile as I fall. But this time, I am ready for you. I have 6 years to change everything. The game has just begun. The next morning, I am in the office. It is a high-rise building. Our company, Novatech, is on the top floor. In my first life, Alexei slowly took control of the company. He made secret deals. He moved money to his own accounts. I trusted him completely, so I never checked. But now, I check everything. I sit at my desk. I open the company files on the computer. My password is my birthday. Alexei knows it. In my first life, he used it to steal my documents. I change my password immediately. Something he can never guess. Then I call our accountant, Mr. Chen. He is an old man with glasses. He has worked here since the beginning. Mr. Chen, I want to see all financial reports from the last 5 years. Every transaction. Every account. He looks surprised. But Mr. Alexei always handles the finances. I am the owner, I say. I want to see them today. He nods and leaves. I look out the window. The view from this exclusive penthouse office is beautiful. I built this life. And I will not let anyone take it from me again. Alexei walks into my office. He doesn't knock. He never knocks. In my first life, I thought it was because we were close. Now I know it is because he thinks he owns this place. Sasha, we have a meeting with the investors at noon. Are you ready? I am always ready, I say. He smiles. But I see his eyes move to my computer screen. He is checking what I am doing. He is always watching. You changed your password? He asks casually. Yes. For security. We don't need security between us. We are partners. Even partners need boundaries, Alexei. His smile disappears. For the first time, I see a flash of anger in his eyes. But it is gone in a second. You seem different today, Sasha. Did something happen? I just had a dream, I say. A dream about the future. He looks at me closely. Then he leaves. I know he is worried. He cannot understand why I am changing. But he doesn't know the truth. He doesn't know that I remember the future he created. The future where he destroyed me. Mr. Chen returns with the files. I start to read. And I find it. A hidden account. Money leaving our company every month. Going to a private bank in another country. The account holder's name is not Alexei. It is Myra. My wife. She is part of his plan. She has been stealing from me from the very beginning. I decide to play their game. But I play it better. That evening, I come home to the penthouse. Myra is in the living room. She is wearing expensive jewelry. Jewelry I paid for. With money she helped steal. How was work, my love? She asks. She kisses my cheek. Her lips feel cold. Fine, I say. I found something interesting today. She freezes. What do you mean? I sit on the sofa. I look at her. She is beautiful. Long dark hair. Brown eyes. The woman I loved in my first life. The woman who smiled when I died. Alexei showed me a new investment plan. It looks very good. Very profitable. Her shoulders relax. She thinks I am talking about something else. That's wonderful, Sasha. Alexei is so smart. Yes. He is very smart. He also suggested we put more money into the company. All our savings. He says it will double in a year. This is a trap. In my first life, Alexei made this same suggestion. I gave him all my money. Then he moved it to the hidden account. When he killed me, he took everything. Do you think it's safe? Myra asks. Her voice is careful. She knows the plan. She is just checking if I suspect anything. I trust Alexei completely, I say. He is my best friend. She smiles. A real smile this time. She thinks the plan is working. The next day, I go to the bank. I do not put my savings into the company. Instead, I open a new private account. In my own name. I move all our money there. I leave only a small amount in the company account. The account Alexei and Myra can access. Then I go to a lawyer. I explain everything. Not the truth about my rebirth. No. I tell him I suspect my business partner is stealing. I show him the hidden account I found. The lawyer starts an investigation. Weeks pass. Alexei and Myra become nervous. They cannot access the money. They think the bank is making mistakes. They do not know that I have blocked them. One night, I hear them talking. I hide behind the door of the study. They think I am asleep. He is not the same. Alexei whispers. Something changed after his birthday. He is suspicious. We need to act soon. Maybe we should move the plan forward, Myra says. Before he discovers everything. I agree. On New Year's Eve. At the party. On the balcony. It will look like an accident again. I feel cold. New Year's Eve. That is 3 months away. In my first life, I died on my birthday. Now, they want to kill me earlier. My plan is working. They are scared. But they are also more dangerous now. I need to finish this before New Year's Eve. I need to expose them completely. But how? New Year's Eve arrives. The penthouse is full of guests again. The same party. The same music. But this time, I am prepared. At midnight, I stand on the balcony. The city skyline is bright with fireworks. Alexei walks up behind me. Myra follows. Happy New Year, Sasha, Alexei says. He puts his hand on my shoulder. Look at the view. I turn. I look at them both. Then I smile. I know your plan, I say quietly. I have always known. Their faces change. Shock. Fear. Anger. You know nothing, Alexei says. I know about the hidden account. I know about the stolen money. I know you planned to push me off this balcony tonight. I hold up my phone. On the screen is a live video. My lawyer is watching. The police are downstairs. Everything is recorded, I say. Every conversation. Every crime. Alexei tries to run. But the doorman blocks the elevator. The police enter the penthouse. They arrest Alexei and Myra. As they take him away, Alexei looks at me. His eyes are full of hate. How did you know? He whispers. I lean close. Because you already killed me once, I whisper back. In another life. He does not understand. But it does not matter. I stand alone on the balcony. The fireworks explode over the city. I survived. I rewrote my fate. I used my second chance to protect myself. To find the truth. To stop the betrayal before it happened. The lesson is simple. Trust is beautiful. But always watch the people closest to you. Sometimes, your greatest enemy is the one who smiles beside you. And if you get a second chance at life, use it wisely. Because not everyone gets one.